guys? Larry here with Kelly Fabrication and Larry Small Engine Repair. Today we're working on this little John Deere skid loader here, skid steer, whatever you guys want to call it. We're going to be changing the crankshaft seal out in her, so I'm fixing to pull this radiator out, and that's why it's draining. And yeah, got to pull this fuel filter down, unmount it from that bracket, and then yeah, just free everything from the radiator, pull that out so I can gain access to the front of the motor and take care of this leak we got. So yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll probably talk to you here in a little bit, but for now we're just gonna sit here and go. Okay. All of that work, mate, just for me one seal. You see, this is what we need to change here. Let me clean it up, show you the numbers. Show you the numbers we're looking for. You know the rules, mate. My phone's ringing, fam. My phone's ringing, I'll be back. What's up, dude? All right, boys, we're gonna pack up here and go track us down a seal. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that. I guess I'll get back to you when we... Hey, what's going on, guys? Larry here with Kelly Fabrication. We're back on this John Deere skid steer. I kind of got ahead of myself and forgot to start recording, but we got the crank pulley back in. I don't know if you can see, but the brand new seal, that little bluish green looking color right there, that's the new seal I just put in. It fit nice and snug, unlike the other one. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna be good to go. So I got the fan back on, I got the belt on right now. I was just about to get that tensioned up, and yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. We got to pull this thing back out, hang it back up there like we had it last time. Oh no, I don't have my vice grips that I used. I left them at the other shop. Oh well, we're just gonna have to be quick with it. No worries. All right, guys, I'm gonna set you up with the time lapse, and yeah, I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit.